Welcome to the installation notes of SPW4 from Parallel Geoscience. And the first thing we need to do is to identify which kind of USB license dongle you have. You may have one as this one, a Sentinel license dongle, a black one, or you may have a Keylock license dongle or this blue one. After identifying which kind of license dongle you have, you need to make sure that you uninstall any previous version of SPW from your system. To do that, you go to Apps and Features, you look for SPW4, you click on it, and you click on Uninstall and Uninstall, and you wait, and SPW4 is no longer available in your system. So with SPW uninstalled, we are now ready to download the most recent version from Parallel Geoscience website. To do that, you open your favorite browser, you type parallelgeo.com, and you land in Parallel Geoscience website. Now you click on Downloads, and on the left hand side you have all the versions of SPW that are available. You are interested in SPW4, so you click on it, and you have a list of files that you can download to install the software. So let's start from the latest release of SPW4. You have the installer here from the 7th of June 2018. I'm gonna download it. Because I have a Sentinel license dongle, I need to download the drivers. If you have a Keylock license dongle, the blue one, you don't need to download these drivers. And if it is the first time you are running SPW in your system, then you might need to download Visual Studio libraries. Okay, now that we have all the files downloaded, I have them here. So I'm going to start by installing the drivers for the Sentinel license dongle by double clicking on the icon and just click Next. I accept, Next, Complete, and Install, and Yes. And we just wait for the drivers to be installed. And finally, my drivers are installed, and you just need to click on Finish. After installing the Sentinel license dongle drivers, we are now ready to start the installation of SPW. I'm gonna double click on the installer, and it's easy, just click Next. You select the path where you want to store the software, and you click Next and Next, and we wait, and now the installation is completed, and you click Close. So if you go to your desktop, you now have an icon with a shortcut to flowchart executable. Double click on shortcut to flowchart to run SPW, and the first time you run SPW you have the option to select an existing SPW project or to create a new SPW project. I'm going to create a new project, and a new dialog with parameters related with your project appears, and you can set up all these parameters. We're going to go through these parameters in a different tutorial. Just an example, I'm going to create a new project, but first we need to browse for the folder where all the files of the project are going to be stored. So I'm just clicking Browse and C and select the folder. So automatically the project root is going to be stored in C. And then the project name, I'm going to just type tutorial. And for instance, my data is a 2D data, is set in meters, and it's a marine data. You can have the option to set as the current project, and I want SPW project, this specific project to open when the application starts, and you click Create. If you go to Flowchart and exit, now you can see that in your folders documents you already have a folder called SPW where in the project files we have our project tutorial, and if you go to the folder that you define, as your project folder tutorial, you have a structure of folders that is related with your project. And this was our tutorial on the installation of SPW4. We went through the type of license dongle, the website where you can download the latest SPW version, and how to execute SPW for the first time.